not the same sweater though, like not even close. Oh my god. They tried so hard and they really said copy paste but onto like a shittier material. It's Lauren, welcome back to my channel and welcome to episode 5 of buying clothes and duck with knife from Sketchy Instagram ads. And I just want to say right off the bat that I think my ads this time have become a little more tailored and successful at actually pitching really great businesses. So we've got a few that are like full red flag 10 out of 10 sketchy, and those ones are gonna be super entertaining because I can already see the hot mess and the chaos of knockoffs that this one particular business is, which actually ended up being one of the most recommended and requested. But I think also this is gonna be partially a small business haul of companies that have just been like doing some really great Instagram ads, and I have been targeted and they have been highly successful. So I just wanna give a disclaimer that although some are very wildly sketchy and I have slapped a do not approve, do not spend your money, do not give them your credit card information on some of them, there are definitely a few that I think are going to be really great stores to shop at. Also, as you're watching this, we are officially on day 19 of Vlogmas, vlogging every day until Christmas. There's still another week of Vlogmas if you're not subscribed over on the vlog channel, and obviously stream the 4 holiday episodes of Craftopia. I'm out of breath on HBO Max and Crave Canada. I think we just hop into the sketchiest of the sketchy. Okay, so first up we have White Market, which I feel like give the vibes of just like internet meme culture, Hot Topic vibes kind of, like maybe Hot Topic for internet meme kids, I guess, but also products I've definitely seen on Shein and Amazon. I only had one product come and it's been 3 weeks, so don't love that for me. The bright side is that it's duck with knife based on that one meme, and honestly I was really excited to receive my duck with knife. We did miss the mark a little bit. I feel like they gave him a new color scheme. He's missing a little bit of orange on his body, and I think the knife is, no, the knife's not good. The knife's not good. It's fully just felt, and there's like some smeared glue right here. And I'm really sad because you guys know that I love a good plushie. Love a good plushie. And this was a little bit of a letdown. I'm gonna love him nonetheless because we don't discriminate in this household against plushies. But he's kind of like the bedhead version of the duck with knife that I thought I was gonna get. I'm also really bummed with the things that I haven't gotten yet because things were kind of expensive as well too. So this order in total was $270. I had these really cute black jeans that were $48 that had these cute little cutouts on the side. So TBD, maybe I can do like an Instagram try on if they do show up. I had a $90 jacket that had really cute clouds all over it, a puffer, a crew neck, and a hoodie that were $65 and $50. What the f? And I paid $45 for shipping? Bitch. That is a little bit maddening. So anyways, here's what we have from our $270 order who has arrived on time. Duck with knife. I think the winner of this video is Emile. Emile. I think there's really only one way to pronounce that one. This was the most highly requested online store that I had in my DMs. If you want me to be the guinea pig to see if they're sketchy, please DM me because this one was so repetitive in my DMs that I had to do it. I had to do it. And it did not disappoint. So upon entering Emile, we basically got hit with every red flag ever. I feel like now I'm experienced in spotting the red flags. And so here are some of the notes that I made as I surfed our good friend Emile. Immediately bombarded with the pop-up for 65% off. You give them your email. That seems like too good to be true. Didn't give them my email because I feel like that's a liability to my inbox. Looks like Shein dupes, but at a crazy high margin. I'm definitely getting the vibe that this is like Shein quality, but at a much higher price. So I hate that for us. The product photos were all over the place. So some of them I recognized from like the actual store. So we had dupes from like Juicy, Mayfair, who's one of my favorite brands ever, RUMI, which is also one of my favorite brands, and like a really like high quality expensive brand. So like the product photos were just all over the place. Some from Amazon, some from Shein, some from like the actual website. Red flags everywhere. I'm dying to open this one up. This is the RUMI dupe. Oh my god. Okay, so it's showing a raw edge, which makes sense. We're missing pockets. We just totally said no pockets for you. Let's see, does the okay, zipper works. Oh wait, no, there is a pocket. I lied. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try this on. I mean, it's not the worst dupe I've ever seen. She desperately needs a steam. The seams are not good. The seams are really not good. I could do a better sewing job than this situation right here. It's very clearly not the quality that you would get if you're buying the real one with RUMI. But we're gonna try her on. We're definitely gonna try her on. And then the jacket, working zipper check. Yes, okay. In terms of them nailing the structure of the jacket, like where the seams are supposed to be, it's not the worst. Like the quality is terrible, like let's be very clear. Like this is like plastic bag, knockoff jean material, but it's not the worst. It's very clearly a dupe, but it's not the worst dupe I've ever seen. Oh my god, this is so cute. I like hate the idea that I'm not supporting RUMI, and like I don't know if I'll actually end up wearing this anywhere, but damn, this is cute. I know it looks like a literal Kleenex, like tissue paper on camera, but like the skirt fits so well. Oh my god. So this is supposed to be an LA Lakers crew neck. They got the idea right. This is honestly not the worst fabric. It's really not, if I'm being honest, but it's definitely not the fabric that they're advertising. Like the crew neck here looks thick, it looks warm. This looks like it's supposed to be kind of like an embroidered, like thick collar here and here, where they kind of just like took the same fabric as the sweater and just printed the same colors. They really said like copy paste but make it shitty. I'm gonna be honest, the color and the actual text is not that different, but this is definitely a different sweater. Like this is not the sweater that I thought that I was getting. This is the sweater that I feel like I knew in my heart I was gonna receive. Another one that I'm so excited for. So they literally just used Madison Beer on the product page for this jacket, and it definitely looks like a vintage racer jacket, like the very NASCAR style that's been really popular. And I feel like I know exactly where she got it. In LA, there's like the Melrose Trading Post, and they have so many of these. And I feel like I know exactly the texture that this jacket is supposed to be, and this ain't it. This ain't it. It's not the worst texture for a jacket. It kind of just feels like baseball jersey style of like weird polyester mix. Hers is obviously much more structured, and it looks thick, and it looks like the racer jacket vibe. This looks like the tracksuit that that one character in Despicable Me wears. I know his is orange, but like that's the vibe that this gives. It's like very much tracksuit. They got the order of the M&Ms correct, but those definitely look like they're embroidered on. Same with the big M&M thing at the top. They really just took the colors of what this jacket is supposed to be and said copy paste, but onto like a shittier material. They tried so hard. They really did. We didn't quite nail it. It's even worse in person. I tried to put the same outfit that Madison has to see if I could like even resemble even an ounce of her beauty. We really missed the mark. I still can't figure out exactly what this fabric is aside from like shitty baseball fabric. I was so close to being Madison Beer. I was so close. High key, I am so excited to try this on. This is just like my childhood, and I never actually ended up buying a juicy tracksuit. I feel like it wasn't quite my vibe, but I wanted it to be my vibe as I was growing up. So I'm excited to give this a try. We didn't hit the mark here. We really didn't hit the mark. There's like a very odd like marking around every single letter where I feel like you can see where it was ironed on. We definitely have a lot of missing rhinestones. The velour though is really not the worst. Like this really doesn't feel that far off a velour tracksuit. And then the bottom, same thing. You've got the elastic band, you've got the like actual waist tie up, but same thing. We've got this really weird like adhesive around every single letter. The spacing also isn't quite right. Again, they tried so hard and they really said copy paste, but just they forgot to paste some of the rhinestones. Either way, it's not good. But do I think you would get called out in the real world that this is like a knockoff juicy tracksuit? No, but you would know in your heart. I still don't fully understand how these companies don't get served with fat lawsuits, but I will say, it's kind of cute. Although the actual rhinestone portion is very obviously not in great condition or a good dupe. From far away, like, I think Paris Hilton would still be like, go off, bitch. This next one is really exciting because I have the real thing. So this is a knockoff from Mayfair, of which you guys have seen, I'm sure, so many sweaters of me wearing. And so we have the real, like, touch test and the real embroidery test, not just based off of a photo. And gonna be honest, this is nicer than I thought it was gonna be. This sweater is not the worst quality. It's kind of got, and this has been so common in a lot of these knockoffs, it feels almost a little bit like neoprene-y, like it would be semi-waterproof, which is a weird texture to have in a sweater. But okay, looking at the actual embroidery side to side, we didn't quite hit the mark. This one has like a ton of pulling. Like you can see in the embroidery machine that like it's really puckering the fabric, and the actual embroidery style is just completely different. The spacing is also off. A lot of these like embroidery pieces are just like fully missing like a whole strip of string where it should be. The color though, not too far off. It's definitely not the same sweater though, like not even close, not even close at all. This next one is actually a Canadian small business that I want to say right off the bat that I am absolutely gonna vouch for. I haven't opened this up yet, but even just like based on the custom packaging that's on the outside and how fast it came, I'm a fan. I feel like the website could maybe use a little bit of a facelift, but overall their Instagram has like real engagement and like a large following. But this one was fan submitted and super kawaii, so it was hard to resist. I'm so excited. I've been holding off opening this so we could do it on camera. First is this Gudetama Kleenex box holder. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, a win so far in my books. I just feel like everyone needs one of these. And then next I have a pajama set that I actually got for Mia and I. I feel like it could be a really cute, maybe OnlyFans situation for her, and then just like a matching situation for the two of us as besties. So we've got Kurami, a plush bandeau set, bra and shorts pajama sets. These are so soft. It comes with a little tiny puffy tail and I love that for us. And then here is the top. It's got like a solid like bra clasp on the back with like adjustable straps. This is really cute. Wow, you've even got like booby cups on the inside. Oh, this is cute and very solid. Mia, if I don't see this on your OnlyFans, I'm gonna be pissed. And then the My Melody is so cute. It's basically like the exact same style. That's a win. That's a win for sure. Again, I just want to say that this was fan submitted, I think, for me to check out. But I want to give the official stamp of approval that Peachy Baby is very cute and I would absolutely order again. Babe, what do you think?
It's a look. It's cute.
Am I adorable?
No, you're adorable.
Feel my ear.
The ears.
Feel my ear.
The ears are very sus place.
Oh, sus place? What do you mean? That's double nippy coverage. You'd rather than be up?
It would be nice if like one would be like, yeah, this, and then one would be like,
was up?
that would be cute.
Not something I can't DIY.
There's a DIY in your future that would make this the full package.
I think I'm adorable. And then the last one, Sanrio inspired Hello Kitty My Melody cinnamon roll table lamp home decoration. Oh my god, it's cinnamon roll. Oh my god, this is really cute. Oh my god, cinnamon roll. He's so cute. Oh my god, this is an absolute win and I can't wait to put it on like my new shelf in the office, of which yes, I am redoing again. Oh, it's a Miniso. That's a totally legit brand and definitely don't think it's a knockoff. It like is looking very legit. Wow, this package was a 10 out of 10. Next one I think is gonna be a shout out to a small business. So this is Nevaeh, which is heaven backwards, which is super cute. So this was served to me as an ad and honestly like the deal was just so good that I was like, is this gonna be just like a Christmas present to myself? Basically they had a build your own jewelry box. So for $85 you got to pick out 7 pieces and all these pieces are supposed to be waterproof, sweatproof, heatproof, durable, and lifetime guarantee. And there was free shipping for 5 to 7 days. So I was like, oh shit, this sounds like a great deal. So I've got 4 little pouches and then I think this might be a jewelry organizer. I feel like they're so great for travel to make sure your shit just like doesn't get so tangled. Let's see all of our pieces. Oh, I love jewelry that you don't have to take off. I'm just someone who's kind of lazy and I like to just wear things until the gold wears off. cute. It's a little bit big on my wrist, but I mean, I think that's just like the reality of when you get something that's like very actually circular. Ooh, oh God, okay. Don't love that this happens. So we've got a little snake ring. This one is super cute. And then this one I'm super excited for. Oh, okay, well now I just have like way too many rings on. This is what they look like. I think if this like bar is maybe on the side, you wouldn't necessarily feel it. There's a very similar Cartier ring that has the Roman numerals on it that this definitely reminds me of. This is a vibe and looks great with my other rings, I think. This is like the matching snake necklace that goes with the ring. It's very cute. Like, if this really is sweat proof and heat proof and super durable, I am about this 100%. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my God, the gift that keeps on giving, honestly. So this is a gummy bear and it's so ridiculously cute. Also, I just noticed that some of these pieces have the branded N on the back of them for the brand, which I love. Like, that's really cool. I feel like there's so many websites that just do like wholesale pieces, but this one obviously has some customization to it. And then this one is a bracelet. And again, this has got super Cartier vibes. It's got like some little fake diamonds on the inside and then some Roman numerals on the other ring. I actually have a similar vibe of the Cartier version over here, but it's not trying to be the Cartier. Like, it's like Cartier vibes, but not trying to be the Cartier, which I appreciate. And it's just like overall really cute. Last piece. Oh my God, this really is the gift that keeps on giving, honestly. This one is just like a simple lightning bolt though, which is really cute. Harry Potter vibes a little bit, but also just like a cute vibe in itself, just like being a little lightning bolt. All in all, this is a bomb small business that I can absolutely get behind. I will keep you guys updated on how the like sweat proof, waterproof situation is. I'm gonna put a bunch of these on and just like see how it goes. So TBD, but right now in this moment, big fan. If you've been keeping up with Vlogmas, you recognize this coat. She was one of the options for the Big Bear trip, and I am absolutely obsessed. Again, this is just another small business that was advertising towards me, and I had a few requests for this one, but overall I was just like, oh shit, this is a legit website. The packaging is so cute. They had their own models, like 10 out of 10, checked out, highly recommend. I got it really quickly, and the only snafu that I had was that I wasn't entirely sure if it was men's or women's sizing, especially in this coat. So I'm gonna do an exchange, hopefully. This is a small, and it's definitely a little bit too big, as you saw in the vlog. Swap for an extra small, hopefully. There's also buy two get one free, so I think the t-shirt that I got was fully free. Also, like, this packaging is so nice. Oh wow, their tags are so legit. In the midst of chaos, there is also opportunity. Wow, fun, cool sayings on the tags. Also, I'm gonna take this off because I do want to exchange it. So here's the t-shirt that I got for free. Super cute. I feel like it's my vibe. It's like drippy spray paint smiley faces, but with color. Big fan. And you guys know how I feel about an oversized t-shirt. And then I think this is a flannel that's kind of in the same pattern as the jacket. Ooh, hooded flannel. This is such good quality. Know your enemy on the back. This might be a little bit too hardcore for me, but it's super cool. Wow, this is so nice. Big fan. I'm gonna have to save these for like my hardcore days or like snowboarding when I'm feeling like a bad bitch. This is serving a lot of bad bitch vibes, and today I'm serving like cinema roll vibes. So that is it for buying clothes from Sketchy / really nice small business ads. Tis the season for some holiday love, so I will leave links to the small businesses that were included in this video that I trust and love their products. Don't shop on Emile. I will be donating most of those knockoff products. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've got one more video for December before the new year, and then I'll be taking a few weeks off. I will see you for 6 more days on the vlog channel and next Sunday for another video. Bye guys!